Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to display the followers count on your Facebook profile. First, make sure that your Facebook app is already updated. If it's not, go update it in your Play Store when you're using an Android device or App Store if you're using iPhone. If it's already updated, all you have to do is to open the Facebook app in your device. Then go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Now in your profile, scroll down and click to edit public details. Scroll down again and click on edit at the right side. Here, choose the details that you want to display in your Facebook profile. Scroll down and go to followers. Check the box here and click on save. Let's go back to our profile. Click on the three dots button at the right side. Click on view as to see what other people see when they visit our Facebook profile. And now, as you can see, the number of followers I have is now showing on my Facebook profile. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.